Today we are making greens and beans. This recipe is tasty and full of vitamins. Before you begin, remember to wash your hands really well with warm, running water and soap. Be sure to get between your fingers and your nails and the backs of your hands. For today's main ingredients, you will need 1 onion chopped, 6 cups of fresh greens, which could be spinach, kale, or collard greens, and 2 15.5-ounce cans of white beans, drained and rinsed. You will also need 2 cloves of garlic chopped, or 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever you have on hand, and 1 tablespoon of dry parsley, or if you have fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons. To begin, heat your oil in a pan over medium heat. Next, add the chopped onion and cook for 2 minutes. Then, add your garlic and cook for 1 minute, stirring often. Add beans and parsley and cook for 2 minutes. Lastly, stir in greens and cook until wilted. Now that you're done, season with salt and pepper to taste and enjoy. This recipe makes 6 1-cup servings. Thank you for watching. Visit our Eat Smart website for more delicious recipes.